loves Amazon. I do. I love 2-day or next day shipping. It's the coolest thing ever. And there's actually other perks you can use from Amazon. Now, if you're like me, you don't buy everything from Amazon. There's times you go to store to buy stuff because you just need it now. And what I've learned is while I'm waiting in line at the store, I pull up that item that I'm going to buy anyway and just do a quick search on Amazon to see if it's on there and if it's a cheaper price. If it is, I just show the associate the price. They like price match it real quick, and I save money. It's the easiest thing ever. You don't have to worry about couponing. You don't have to worry about saving money. It's just while you're waiting in line, look up the product, show it to the associate. 9 times out of 10, actually for me 10 times out of 10, as long as it's from like an authorized reseller on Amazon or authorized person, they'll match the price, and that's going to save you an extra buck every time you go, or probably more than that, every time you go buy products, especially for the bigger ticket items or electronics. So give that a shot. Just make sure you're price matching. Just like I talked about before, never pay full price. There's always ways to help you save. It's going to require a little bit extra work, but that little bit of extra work is like 2 minutes. Which 2 minutes for $5, $10, $20 of savings, definitely worth the price.